Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your screen in Google Meets in a few easy steps. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So here is how. Just if you remember in the previous video I showed you how to create a meeting from here. So let's create one new meeting, start an instant meeting, join now. We don't wanna add nobody. So how to share your screen in Google Meets. Here is how. Just click here on present now, and from here it appears this window, and as you can see here you have three options to share your screen. Actually, you can share your entire screen, to share your window, or to share only one tab. So as you can see now we have two tabs. If you want to share the one tab, just click here and choose which tab. Actually, I have a second Chrome opened. So if you want to share one tab, just choose one. Let's say this one, and now I'm sharing my email, Google account. So if you want to stop the sharing, just click here, stop sharing, and go back in meeting. So if you want to share the entire screen, just click here, entire screen, and now you're sharing the, actually you have to select it, click on share, and now you're sharing the entire screen. Stop present, and now they can see your desktop. And if you want to stop just sharing, just click here, stop sharing. And also you can hide it, but if you hide it, you must go back in meeting and click here on stop presenting. So if you want to share just the window, just click here on window, and you can choose which one to share. Now you're sharing. Wait. Now you're sharing, I think, some folder, I don't know. So yep, that was it, how to share your screen in Google Meet. If I helped you out, just give a like, and also don't be hesitant to leave your problems, your questions down below the video in the comments. And who knows, maybe in a few days I'll try to respond on them, and to answer, I mean. So that was it. See you next video. Bye.